Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review. Grade 1 Spelling, Quiz B words. Spell the word, stared. Lisa stared at her. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, technology. Technology has made us ever more productive. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word, snuggle. The boy snuggled close to his mother. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word, fumes. The air was thick with cigar fumes. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, nimble. He was very quick, nimble and agile. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word, ingenious. The book has an ingenious plot. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word, purple. Her favorite color is purple. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, fiddle. It's not easy playing second fiddle. And the answer is letter A. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane Online Quiz.